Moisturize and change my look. Oh god.
You in a top farm, top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the food, man, tell the chef hurry.
Hey fam, welcome back to my kitchen. Okay guys, so welcome back to my kitchen. Today is Sunday and today I'll be doing a special dish. Something that I've always wanted to try, but I will not be trying it with the regular thing that they use in the recipe. From the title, you would have picked up already what that is. So, ow, ow. Yeah. So from the title, you have picked up what that is. So we're going to get straight into the video. So today we will be doing the spicy Bigfoot chicken. Okay, it is a spin-off from the Cheetos flaming Cheetos chicken that's all over YouTube. If you're a regular mukbang watcher or ASMR food watcher, you know what I'm talking about. You know exactly what I'm talking about. So that's what we will be doing today. I saw this on TikTok. I am going to put her name on the screen. I think her name is Annie Smith. She is the one who I saw did the video. I'm not sure if anybody else did, but I'm giving credit to her. Give credit where credit is due, so that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so we're just going to get straight into how we prepare this chicken today. Okay? Okay guys, so these are the ingredients that we will be using to accomplish this spicy Bigfoot chicken. Bigfoot, of course, spicy. The cooking oil because it's deep fried. Eggs. I don't even probably the egg. I just smell. I don't know. Whatever. First time trying, so let's see. Some flour, of course, and then you have your containers where you're going to put all of those stuff in. So I do not have a blender or a bullet blender mashup, so I'll talk about this. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to get these crumbled. Okay, so this. Okay, so if you don't have a blender like how I don't have a blender right now, this is what you're going to do. Get yourself a clear bag, make sure it's clean. Put your Bigfoot in it. And do this. See? Bigfoot crumble. Spicy, for sure. We used to do this as a child. I don't know that. Not new. Alright guys, so this is how you would want your Bigfoot to be crushed all the way out. Finely milled. Okay? Okay guys, so the main ingredient, the chicken, I marinated it overnight. So I season it up and everything from overnight. So yep, so we can make this process go a little bit faster today. So I season it up, nicely marinated and thing. I went ahead and I add my flour to my bowl. People don't season the flour. If you are from another country and you're watching this, we Jamaicans, we always season with flour. Our Caribbean people, we always season the flour when we go fry with chicken or anything. Season your flour, you'll see the difference. Trust me. And when you do so, you come back and tell me how your chicken tastes. So you have the 2 eggs. I whisk them, and then you have you have the Bigfoot crushed and all of that. So first we're going to take the chicken, the pieces of chicken that I want out of this. I won't be using all of these, so I'll be taking the pieces that I need, dipping them into the flour, the egg, and then into the Bigfoot crumbs. Okay guys, so this is what the chicken is looking like after I took it off. Oh my gosh. Oh, did you hear that? Did you hear the crunch, bro? Oh my gosh. I can't wait. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can't wait to taste. I can't wait to hear the crunch. Oh gosh. Stay tuned for the ASMR, guys. Stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that part. Oh my god. Isn't it beautiful? Sheesh. Guys, I'm full time to call me master chef. It's full time now to call me master chef. Look here, looky. Oh my goodness. What? Immaculate work. Immaculate. I am frying some regular chicken. This regular. Yeah. I didn't want to do all of them because the batter even finished. So I'm just fry up the rest. But come on now. I need to get a master chef crown. Oh gosh, I am excited about my work. So rice done cook, chicken almost done cook, so almost time to share dinner. So when I'm sharing everything, I'll get Kevin's reaction. If my cousin wants to be on the camera as well, I'll get his reaction and all the taste and stuff. And then let them know all it is. Some weird things. So comment down below, guys, if you have tried this before or you would want to try it. I'm gonna better try it, you know. If you guys try it, please, I'm asking you to screenshot it or whatever and send it to me on Instagram and I will repost it because I will do it. Alright? Follow me on Instagram if you're not following yours yet. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel as yet. Go and follow me on TikTok. This is a shameless plug section, so just follow all my social medias. Okay guys, so this is the final product. This is how it looks. Being served. I'm not the best with like plating and stuff, but yeah, still look nice. Still look gorgeous. So let's get right into the ASMR part of this video. Can't wait. Kim.
Wow.
Wait, hold on. You're gonna tell me what it tastes and everything. Tell me where you go. What it tastes.
You should definitely start your own business.
Okay,
This is
stop.
awesome.
For real? Or you just a joker?
No. Well, crunchy and nice, yo.
Yup.
We don't need KFC anymore.
I don't hear that. I never me say it. I never me say it. I don't need KFC. KFC. What is that? Boy, I'm going to bring my cousin. So let's see.
Let's say I've been on before.
I'm not video your face. Your face not in there. Tell me what chicken tastes.
Tell you it tastes.
Yeah.
Look good, man. Yo, somebody drive.
Maya, tell me how it tastes.
You do your review.
Yeah.
What kind of chicken is?
This is spicy Bigfoot fried chicken.
You can spin.
Here, crunch. Here, the crunch.
Not use and buy it in my own.
You don't. Come on, eat it. Oh, it
It's
tastes.
good, man.
It tastes good for you.
You reckon a KFC?
Me not have to say a word more. You already know how it thing go. You know how it go. You know how it go. Man, a master chef. Master chef. It's my turn. I have to taste now. Okay. Let's see what the master chef tastes. Okay. I'll grade my own self. I'm my own critic. Okay. So let's see. Alright, guys. I'm on the outside. Inside too hot. I'm on the outside. It's my turn to taste everything. Oh. My turn, my turn. Hold on. Wrong move. Alright, here goes. Okay. I need to try this, but not exaggerate. Oh god. More stars on similar. Look. Oh god. You know want some? I can't help. It tastes so good. I don't know how to explain it, but it's nice.
Okay, guys, what I want to say here is it was not as spicy as I expected it to be. So I'm going to ask that you add your own spice if you decide to try it.
You know, compare and so alright, so that basically ends the video, guys. I'm going to sit, have my meal in peace, and just enjoy everything. So if you guys like this video, ensure that you give this video a thumbs up. For all the persons who have not subscribed as yet, ensure you do so because I have a lot more videos to come. And yeah, leave a comment down below as usual because I reply to all the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.